Hey guys, this is Matt from Proline, and I want to show you our brand new Pro-Spline HD Axles for the 4x4 Traxxas kits. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install them on your vehicle. In this video, I will be using a 1.5mm hex driver, a 2mm hex driver, a flathead screwdriver to use as a pry, a 7mm wheel wrench, also Proline's tire glue, and blue thread locking compound. One of the coolest features of these axles is they come pre-assembled, as shown here. But there are a couple optional things that we recommend you do before installing them onto your truck. The first thing is putting thread lock on this M3 set screw, this tiny little set screw we have here. Put some thread lock on there. Take it with your 1.5mm wrench and put it right in here. That prevents the cross pin from coming out. Tighten it down, but make sure it's still free, which it is. Another thing we recommend you do is on this clip here, see how it can be rotated to where the pin might be able to come out? To prevent that, rotate it so it's away from the pin opening, and take your tire glue and put a drop or two right in this slit. Just like that. And then allow it to dry and do it the exact same thing for the other side. And that's it. Now time to disassemble your axle assembly before installing your new axle. So I'm going to show you in this video the rear, but it's a similar process for the front. So using your 7mm wrench, take off the tire here. Alright, so then I take my 2mm wrench, take off the camber link on the outside. Now take your 1.5, undo the set screw holding the axle on. Set that aside. Now taking your 1.5, loosen the hex here, and use a pry to pull it off. On the stock hexes, these are the Proline aluminum hexes. On the stock hexes, there's no set screw, so you can just pop them off. All right, move the cross pin, and now you can rotate the whole thing out. Now be careful to see where the shims are. There's going to be at least one shim on the outside, and there's going to be another shim on the inside there. So pay attention to where those are. See, there's another shim right there. So those are on the outside. There's the thicker one on the inside. Okay, so now you're ready to install the Proline axle. Slide it through the bearing there. Oh, you need the shim. Reuse the shim that came on your truck. Slide that on there. And take the set screw here with your 1.5. Line it up with the hole. Tighten it down. Take your shims, place them over the axle, put the cross pin through, just like that. Put your hex back over, slide it over there, tighten down the screw. That's good. Take your button head screw, tighten the camber link back on with your 2.0. And make sure everything's free, which it is. Then you can reinstall your tire back on. And that's basically it. There's nothing else to it. It's really simple. For more information on these axles and for more how-to videos, check out ProLineRacing.com. Thanks for watching.